This year, Wisely Automotive turned 10. Honestly, I don't know where the time's gone, and I'm both amazed and proud that we've reached this milestone. Running a business, there have been plenty of ups and downs, but we've kept our heads down, worked hard to build a solid reputation, and I've been incredibly lucky with the team I found. But my luck seems to have run out, because for the last year, I've been trying to recruit a mobile technician to take the hot seat in the MobileService van, and for love nor money, I can't find anyone. In this episode, let's explore why that might be and tell you a little bit more about the role. Welcome back to the Wisely Automotive channel, or if you're new around here, thank you for tuning in for the first time. If you don't know, we're a UK-based business specialising in electric BMWs and Minis, especially our beloved BMW i3. Last year, we soft-launched MobileService, whereby we bring our i3 workshop and know-how to you. We bought this Transit on the cheap. Martin put out one YouTube video to advertise the offering, and I hit the road to see if we can get any business. The response? Incredible. 25,000 miles later, I've completed 350 bookings, visited all corners of the UK pretty much, and we're now booked up months in advance. This year has been all about fine-tuning the role, testing what works, what doesn't, and how to balance productivity, profitability, and well-being. Living the role myself has shown me the challenges, the dramas, and the solutions that the technician in this role will face. I know exactly what it demands and the kind of person it would suit. The problem is finding that person. We've advertised on all the major job portals, spoken with recruitment companies, leaned on all our contacts, and I've even resorted to stopping to chat with AA and RAC patrols on the roadside. The result, a staggeringly low number of suitable applications. So what's going on? Well, it turns out it's not just us. The UK has a real technician shortage at the moment. Good techs are being paid heavily to stay put, lower level techs are stuck on unachievable bonus schemes, and many are leaving the trade entirely into other sectors like the rails, where there's also an equal shortage of mechanically skilled talent. As a result, some dealers are closing ramps, even shutting their workshops entirely because they simply don't have enough staff. So if you've had to wait a while to get your car serviced recently, now you know why. So yes, it seems I'm trying to find an almost extinct species, but surely there's someone out there. And that's why I'd really appreciate you sharing this video around, because you never know who might end up seeing it. So let's take a look at the role itself. In simple terms, you'll be traveling around the UK, servicing, repairing and diagnosing BMW i3s and other BMW and Mini EVs. You'll be working from a fully equipped MobileService transit van, a new one by the way, not this old thing, and you'll be visiting lovely customers at their homes or workplaces. You'll be working 3.5 days a week, no weekends. And finally, in terms of earnings potential, the OTE of this job is £55,000 per annum. For loads more information, check out the full job description, which we'll link below. Now, this is where people start asking questions. Working hours, miles per day, what the jobs are, how the salary works. And here's the truth, there just isn't a neat cookie cutter answer. Some days you'll set off at 8 AM and be home by 6. Others you'll leave at 6 AM and not get back until 10. Some days you'll make a little over £200. Others you might bring in £500 plus. Some days you'll rack up 250 miles of driving. Others you might just do 30 miles pootling around one area. That unpredictability makes it difficult to describe the role to recruiters who have a one-size-fits-all approach to job listings, or to candidates who are stuck in the mindset of a regular workshop environment. Explaining what we're offering sometimes ends up feeling like I'm talking a foreign language. So I started logging every single MobileService day, miles, hours, earnings. And what began as a 1-month test has turned into a 9-month live data set. And you can view all the nitty-gritty details of my performance by scanning the QR code currently on the screen, or by visiting the link below. Now, if you're interested, but you're not quite interested enough to have had a look, don't worry. Here's June overlaid as an example. As you can see, I did 9 days, but keep in mind, I've been doing these in addition to all my other tasks running Wisely Automotive. But even so, I would have earned over £3,300 on the pay scheme we're offering. There's no sugarcoating it. Yes, it is hard work, and yes, they are long days, but I feel it's well rewarded. I'd be interested to hear what you think. Comment below how this compares to what you're expecting or the industry you're in. How's the salary actually calculated? Simple. For every hour we bill at £100, you get £50. Yep, 50% commission. Simple as that, and pretty much unheard of. Why so high? Well, we're carrying around hundreds of kilos of parts here, and that's so that opportunities for extra work can be seized when they crop up. If a customer's car unexpectedly needs brakes or suspension and the parts are on the van and your schedule allows, at 50% commission, you'll want to get the extra work done. even if it might mean getting home a bit later. 10% or 20% commission, let's face it, most techs will just avoid seizing the work and want to get home. This way, the work gets done, the customer gets incredible convenience, and you get properly rewarded. And as the commission is uncapped, there's potential to earn some serious money. Going back to that diary and looking at June again, you'll see that on average, I earned £369 of commission a day in that month. Achieve that average doing 3 days one week, 4 days the other, and you're at over 67 grand for the year. It also means the job feels more like an equal partnership. We handle all the marketing, inquiries, bookings, invoicing, parts, we supply the van, all the tools, and arrange all the insurance. You just focus on the job and the reward gets shared equally. But keep in mind, you're still full-time employee, paid via PAYE with all the usual benefits that carries. For some, commission will sound risky. I get that. But for the reasons above, I'm reluctant to reward this role any other way. And hopefully you can understand why. Personally, I'd rather earn 55 or 60 grand on commission than 45 or 50 on a flat salary. But I get it. It's not going to be for everyone. If you're someone who prefers guaranteed money over higher earning potential, this role might not be for you. Of course, there'll be a ramp-up period with shadowing and training, which might drag on for some months, but we'll guarantee your earnings during that transition period so you're not exposed while you're learning. So who's the perfect candidate? Ideally, someone from a BMW main dealership background with level 3 or level 4 hybrid EV training. Familiarity with ISTA and experience working on i3s will naturally be highly desirable too. That said, roadside patrol techs from AA, RAC, or even BMW Allianz roadside assistance are also likely to be a great fit for the role. But I'm open-minded. If you've got the right attitude, solid mechanical background, and a willingness to graft, I'd encourage you to apply. At this stage, we're ideally looking for someone based in the southeast, as we already have months of bookings which are planned around a London start-finish. But if you're interested in the opportunity and are based further afield with no desire to relocate, I'd still encourage you to apply. Reason why is that as we get busier and require more techs on the road, we'll naturally start grouping work regionally so that with a bit of crossover here and there, each tech has a zone that they cover. The better coverage we have, the more efficient we can be. Less hours spent driving for everyone, and that in turn means more opportunity to earn money. So if you're suitably qualified and interested in becoming the face of Wisely Mobile Service in your area one day, please apply. No harm doing so. Here's the reality. Mobile service is in huge demand. Customers love it, we're booked solid, but it's bottlenecked by me. While I'll always do some days out on the road, without more techs, we can't keep growing. It would be a real shame to let mobile service stall simply because we can't find the right people. So if you're in the trade, please share this video. If you're a customer and want to keep using mobile service, please share it too. You never know who it might reach. And if you're watching this and think it could be for you, please email your CV to jobs@wiselyauto.com. Thank you for watching, and if I'm not out in this silver transit, I'll see you in the next video.